This is how you could make $20, $50, and even $100 per day just by trading cryptocurrency. So to begin, you need a crypto exchange, and there are many exchanges out there. We have Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin. I personally use Bybit.com. So if you don't have an account just yet, go below this video towards the description and click my Bybit affiliate link, and it's going to take you to the Bybit homepage where you could either log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, press sign up and set your account up. Once you have completed the process, log in, and it's going to ask you to enter the details. Press log in, and it's going to also ask you to verify by solving this quick puzzle, and also it's going to give you a verification code, which I'm going to enter right now, which is 277. Then after you have completed the entire process, it's going to take you to the Bybit homepage. Now you have to deposit funds into your account to begin trading. So you have to press deposit and begin the process by depositing your funds. And after you have completed the process, I already have funds in my account. I have $50, which is currently being held in a spot position. I'm currently not trading, but right now, if you want to begin trading, you have to move your USDT into the derivatives USDT perpetual. And then from here, you can begin trading a cryptocurrency. I suggest trading Bitcoin because there is a lot more trading volume and liquidity, so we can avoid fake outs. So take a closer look into your right side. You should switch this to isolated. Don't use cross. I personally recommend using isolated for beginners. Press confirm, and then you can set your leverage from 1x all the way up to 100x if you are a degenerate trader. If you want to maximize your profits, you can do high leverage trading, but obviously this involves high risk. So do manage your risk when trading, and only trade or invest what you can afford to lose. So in my case, I usually use 3x to 5x leverage. Press confirm, and then you could open a buy long position or a sell short position. A buy long position is when you expect the market to move up, and then once it does move up, you're going to profit from the trade. And a sell short position is when you expect the market to move down, and then you could profit from the market moving to the downside if you have a sell short position. So now you need a website where you could view the charts. I personally recommend using tradingview.com, and it's going to take you to the website if you do type tradingview.com, and you should open the Bitcoin chart. So right now we are at the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame, and I will introduce you to my first simple beginner-friendly trading strategy, which is support and resistance. You have to find a price point or a price level where the price has had multiple touch points, or where it has previously had touched the exact same level multiple times. So if you do take a look at the charts right here, you guys can clearly see that this red line is a resistance level because the Bitcoin price has touched this level multiple times in a row, and whenever it does, we do see a price rejection and we move towards the downside as a result. So this is resistance, and this green line is a support level. So how does support and resistance really work? So the support is where buyers enter the market, and resistance is where people exit the market. So we are trading market psychology. So whenever the price moves down and touches a support level, we do expect the price to move up. But if you do see the price touch resistance, this is when you should enter into a short position and profit on the way down. If you guys move the charts towards the right here, you guys can see the price is moving down. And if the price starts to move back down towards the support level, like so, right here, you guys can see we have touched a support level. This is where you would like to enter into a buy or a long position, and then ride the move towards the upside and sell once we do touch resistance right here. Then once we have touched the next or this resistance level, this is where you would enter into a short position and profit on the way down. You press sell short. You have profited about 15%. And it really depends on the leverage you have used. That's why if you have used 50x or 100x leverage, the profit would be even greater. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. However, if you do see the price have a break above resistance, such as this one, therefore this resistance level will now flip to support. So if we do have a pullback, we could now expect this level to act as support for the price. So we did have a retest. That is a buy signal, and that is the signal you should enter into a long position because it's now flipped to support, and you could have profited from this short-term move right here. You could scalp this move, and that would be about a 4% move to the upside. And again, it depends on your leverage. If you do a 50x, 100x, the profit would be even higher. But if you do break below support, it's now flipped to resistance once again. Support and resistance levels works very well when it is in a range. So you could just enter into a long position when it touches support. As an example right here, you could enter into a long position, profit on the way up, sell your positions and open a short, ride the wave to the downside, profit from that move, enter into a long position right here in the support level, ride the wave up, and just it's essentially a rinse and repeat process right here. Now, if you want to combine this with other trading strategies such as patterns, then do click this video that's displayed on the screen right now.